Hello, my name is Belinda Jeffrey and I'm an associate with Michael Lynch Family Lawyers. Today I'm going to briefly speak to you about child support and the process involved. Child support is a scheme which aims to provide financial support to children once parents have separated. The Department of Human Services administers that scheme and delivers services to parents and carers who apply to the department. They organise the facilitation of assessments as well as the collection and transfer of payments. Child support assessment is not something that happens automatically upon separation. It is something that a parent or carer needs to apply for. How much child support should be paid is based on an income sharing model and the research into the costs of raising a child in Australia. The formula uses the combined income of both parents to calculate child support payments. It excludes the same self-support amount from both parents' incomes, treating them in the same way. It calculates child support based on the costs of raising that child according to the incomes of both parents. And it recognises both parents' contributions to the cost of the children through their care. Parents may choose to negotiate their own child support agreement in relation to the amount. That agreement can set out the amount, the frequency and method of payment, but must meet requirements of the legislation in order to be accepted and enforced by the Department of Human Services. Child support will remain payable by a payer parent until a child is 18 years of age. However, if that child is still undertaking secondary schooling when they turn 18 years, if applied for, that child support can continue until the child completes their secondary schooling. If a parent feels that the formula does not reflect their special circumstances, they may apply to the department for a change in assessment. Under that process, the department can examine the broader financial circumstances of each party and make a decision to depart from the formula assessment. To help you navigate through this process and achieve the best possible outcome, it is advisable that you get specialist legal advice. So please don't hesitate to reach out to us.